Have you ever felt a wind so strong that you could barely stand? Now imagine winds blowing over 300 kilometers per hour non-stop. One of the windiest places on Earth is Mount Washington, USA. Here, wind speeds can reach 372 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most major hurricanes. And it's not just the wind. Temperatures here can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius or minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of extreme cold and insane winds makes this mountain a testing ground for Earth's most brutal weather. But did you know? The most extreme winds happen in Cape Denison, Antarctica. Here, winds reach 320 kilometers per hour on a regular basis, almost every day. Winds this strong can lift people off the ground and even tip over vehicles. So if you think your city is windy, imagine living here. Would you dare? Have you ever experienced super strong winds? Comment below. And don't forget to like and follow for more amazing nature facts.